Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on LENOVO Yoga Tab 11. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, in search, enter Firefox. Right here you will need to install it. When it's ready, open the app. Here we can sign in to turn on synchronization, choose the theme, pick your toolbar placement, switch between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing, and now the browser is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.